Jason Fitzgerald here at Barcelona, Spain at ISE2022. Now, Blustream's no stranger to audio-video distribution, but we've recently jumped into the foray of USB extension and matrixing. And what we've got showing here is a host of new solutions that feature USB 2.0 extension. Everything from our UEX50B kit, which does USB 2.0, with 4 USB-A ports or devices that we can connect, as well as the new UEX100E, which is a very unique extender that does not only USB 2.0, which can handle data and video all on a single Cat5e, but also things like IR, serial, audio, and Ethernet extension. It's basically your universal extender. Now I'm really excited to talk about this guy, the MX44 KVM. Now this solution is a matrix, a true matrix for USB 3.0s that allows us to connect basically a whole bunch of USB devices to a number of different sources all at the very same time. So you're going to see these solutions and more in Las Vegas at InfoComm 2022, where you can find us at booth W2761.